See y'all, we are on this long walk, Saturday. It's a really nice day. We've been walking and walking and walking, and then I start to realize, wait a minute.
Am I going insane? Totally insane? Where am I?
Are we on our way home to the car?
I am very concerned. Where am I?
Because I'm thinking, okay, we looped around, we're probably going towards the car. Then I start to see these homes that look like old slave homes. Tell me this doesn't look like an old slave home or a haunted mansion. And I'm like, I know. Well, I did not pass this when we were walking. And then Kenton tells me, oh no, we're still going. This is nowhere near the car. I'm like, we need to be heading back home because I'm getting tired.
Seriously, I feel like I'm on the set of a bad movie, a horror movie, okay? I'm already tired, exhausted, and then come to find out we're not moving closer to the car, we're moving farther away, and I'm suddenly realizing we are in front of what looks like haunted homes or haunted old slave homes. I don't know what these are, but we need to get the hell out of here and head back home.
There's Kenton and Kareem ahead. I'm very happy to be out while it is sunny, but I'm getting a little tired now. And those spooky looking homes do not make me feel good. I mean, really, look at that. Look at that. These are old log homes, old trees. God knows how old these things are. I would never come out here in the dark. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. All right, let's keep going. I will say this is a really nice walk through these trees. You see the bridge? Lord, I can't even hold the phone straight. I did buy a water bottle today, though, which I'm really happy about. One of those motivational water bottles that hold enough water for the entire day with the little sayings on it, you know, like, keep going, you're almost there, good morning. Stuff like that. Whew. See, I wasn't playing. I've been out here. Ooh, look at the double chin. We have to get rid of that in the next few months. Cut back on the salt. Not that honestly I'm a salt person. I totally avoid it when possible. I think the problem is sometimes sugar. And even that I've been trying to be better. You know, no added sugar. But certain things, of course, have natural sugars in them and are naturally sweet. Like plantain. Woo! Girl. Okay, what else? I don't drink soda, never drink soda, or maybe once, twice a year, really, honestly. I don't drink alcohol. I don't smoke. So, you know, there are a lot of positives when it comes to staying healthy that I don't do. But like most of you, there are certain things I could do more of that are beneficial, like exercise more, drink more water, get more sleep, stress less, stuff like that. Eat more fruits and vegetables, all the good stuff. Anyway. So, yeah, I have not been on this path in a while. Actually, this is the first time this year we're walking on this particular trail. And it's nice. You can see there are quite a bit of people out because it's one of those unusually warm days. Tomorrow's going to be raining and cloudy. So I was like, let's get out into the sunshine, get some vitamin D, and move our bodies. Okay. See, we're walking past a bridge. They're doing construction here. Look at that nasty swampland right there. Traffic ahead. And people riding their bikes, whizzing past us. Yeah, I can't believe I kept walking, thinking we were going in a loop to get back to the car, not realizing we were walking farther and farther away from home, or farther and farther away from the car. Anyway, I'm happy. Burnt some calories, did some sweating, did a lot of sweating. It's nice to sweat after months of being in the cold, layered up. What? To be just wearing a t-shirt is awesome. So for that, I am thankful. Dear Lord. Oh, look at the birds. Look at the pigeons on the electric wire up there. See, more and more bridges before we get to where we need to go. Cute little kid. So there's the sign to give you an idea where we're at. Neuse River Trail, and we're going towards Horseshoe Farm Nature Preserve. Walking uphill is definitely some work right now, but I'm about to walk downhill in a minute. See, it's like it goes up and down and up and down. It feels like, here feels like the set of, what is that movie with Bella, you know, and the vampires and the werewolves. That's where my mind goes to when I saw all these trees, and I imagine what it would be like in the dark. And giant nests out of nowhere. You see all these little clusters in the trees? These are all nests. I've been collecting birds' nests, by the way. I know it's kind of an odd thing, but I love little small birds' nests, and you can kind of create art with them. Yeah, they're just beautiful things or creations of nature. Just to imagine how smart the little birds and how patient they are to pick up every little stick and leaf and piece of string and weave it into a home sturdy enough to shelter their egg babies. See, can you see more nests in the trees? Little clusters. Anyway, hello. One of these days, I will show you how I turn them into art. I did use them though on my Christmas tree. If y'all were watching my vlogs, then you remember I had a bird themed Christmas tree with the birds' nests, and I made some artificial or fake eggs out of flour. And I added some clip-on birds, colorful little birds. So that was one interesting tree. Kenton's looking back to see, like, what's keeping her? See, y'all are slowing me down. Talking to you and slowing down. I better speed up. See, that's where we came from. See, that's where we came from. And thank God, there's a parking lot ahead of us. Oh, child, what a relief. What a relief. Oh, I can't wait to drink some water. Do you hear the wind? You probably hear the wind, right? How you feel? How you feel? You're doing good. Kenton's lost 10 pounds, by the way. So proud of him. He's been doing intermittent fasting. Yeah? Yeah. Show him how sexy you are. He's getting there. We're back home, and here's the bottle I told you I bought from Big Lots. Yeah, Big Lots.
You can go hashtag Big Lot Finds. Anyway, look at it. Isn't it cute? Can you tell the scale of it? Just look. Here is a normal size glass of water, which I'm about to drink after that long walk. And there's the bottle. It holds 3 liters, basically 3 liters. The Motivational Jumper Sports water bottle. I mean, it's big. It's big. And I can't imagine when it's filled with water how heavy it's going to be. But you see, you start off here. It says, good morning, 7 a.m. Hydrate yourself, 9 a.m., 11 a.m. Remember your goal. 1 p.m. Keep chugging. What's it say? 3 p.m. Feeling awesome. 5 p.m. Don't give up. 7 p.m. almost finished. And 9 p.m. you did it. So honestly, this is a realistic motivation because my problem is my day starts too late and I'm still drinking late in the evening, which means then I'm having to wake up to go urinate, when you drink too late, or I can't go to sleep until I feel like I'm completely empty. I know some of you are like, that's TMI. No, that's grown folk, real life. Anyway, I have to wash it, of course. How do you even open it? Let's see. Push down and this should come up. Y'all, I can't even open it. You buy something too fancy and you can't even open it. Oh no, there you go. Okay, yeah, you push down and then this pops up. So it has a built-in straw. Stay hydrated and stay healthy. Actually, I plan to drink water with lemon and maybe I might add a cap full of apple cider vinegar, which is very good for you when you're trying to lose weight. The combination of lemon slices, lemon juice, and a little bit of apple cider. If you want to be even extra, you can add some cayenne pepper to really boost your metabolism as you try to lose weight. But I think for something this big, I don't want to be drinking pepper all day, so I think I'll just add lemon. And once the straw is up, it actually stays up and it's super long. I like that it's super long, so it will suck up all of the water. All right, so let me show you. I figured it out. Not that it takes a genius to figure it out, but yeah, you have to use 2 hands. You open it, you press on this pops open. See, the straw will stay up. It actually stays up. And then if you flip this, it closes. The straw kind of goes down, but it still pops back up when you open it. Isn't that cool? And you got the 2 holders on the side, like I said before, and you got the handle on the top. So you can carry it on the go. And stay hydrated. Good morning. Well, actually now it's more like it's almost 4 o'clock. So it's between feeling awesome and don't give up.
By the way, I hope you had a wonderful Valentine's Day. I know some of you commented that you had Galentine's Day instead for those of you that were single. Anyway, I can't wait to share with you my Valentine's Day and how we transformed the living room into a romantic venue. I did a lot of cooking, a lot of desserts, and I can't wait to share it with you this Saturday or Sunday.
So Valentine's Day, we're walking off all that food we ate. Happy Valentine's Day. Say happy Valentine's Day, boo-boo.
Happy Valentine's Day.
We're getting our steps. Why does my head look so big? You know why? Because I'm closer to the camera. That's why.
That's right. Got a little pinhead.
Who?
Me.
I don't think so. Your head ain't no pinhead. Okay, let's stand together. Let me see. See if we're on the same.
I'm a pinhead.
Yeah.
I'm tiny. See?
Yeah, because I'm walking ahead of you.
Now I'm right next to you.
You're not next to me.
Yeah, I'm right next to you. Look, see?
See the stupid stuff we argue about?
Yeah.
Stupid stuff. That's what Kareem says. We argue about dumb stuff.